Well, it's been quite a few days since I have put out any content for you guys, and I just wanted to make a quick little video talking about the shrimp rigger and something that I got for it. Just just want to talk really. It's been 19 degrees when I'm waking up, and it's been dark when I've been getting home from work, so I just haven't really had any time to get out, run the boats, and the weather just hasn't been conducive. So we've got the pool room here, the boat room, all cleaned up, and got my boats on display. We had a good Thanksgiving, had all the family here, got to show them all my boats. My dad is absolutely fascinated with the cheetah, and I had emailed TP because the issue, if you caught my last video where we were talking about how this motor, it's a 2940 is what they call it, 4220 kV. And remember that the front end bell came loose, the threads had pushed, and the back end bell, you can still see it here, it still wants to push itself apart by bending these grub screws outward. So I had got 91 out of the rigger with that motor, and I'm gonna build another shrimp rigger here in the near future, but because the weather and everything is just everything has kind of got put on hold. We're running the Kraken 120 in this right now, and I'm not sure if what I want to do is actually going to burn up that ESC, but we're going to try it. I'm not sure which way I want to do this yet, so I want your opinion in the comment section to let me know what you would like to see, because I'm really trying to see if I can make this rigger hit 100 miles an hour. So I wanted to debut this gorgeous work of art here. TP has a blue motor. Isn't that freaking awesome? It's gorgeous. It's blue, man. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's hold it to this one here. Check it out. It is slightly longer. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Now, this here is a 5250 kV, and this says N2425, and that says 2940. So what's kind of crazy is they're both considered 2940s, and then 2425, and then 2412. So I don't really know what those other numbers mean. But what I love about this, and this is just pure happenstance, we had the issue with the front of this coming off because it's threaded on. Well, maybe TP knew they had an issue, or maybe they just watched my videos, who knows. This motor was specially made, and it took almost 2 months to arrive. But if we compare the backs are different. But what the real thing I love is the front of the new blue motor is threaded on. It's got 4 bolts holding it on, 4 Allen bolts, rather than just the outer thread holding it on. So this motor here should not have any issue with pushing itself apart. Now, being that it's 5200 kV instead of 4200 kV, we're going to be pulling some amperage. I'm going to throw it on the screen. I believe this one was 116 amps. So I'm going to say this one's probably in the 135 to 145 amp range. So I believe if I were to try and run this motor with the Kraken 120, I might burn it up. So I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I really want to build the other rigger, another shrimp rigger, and build it in such a way that I can put the Kraken 180 in it. Either make the top piece in the bottom wider, or leave it the same width and build different sides to where I can build it taller. To where then if I build it taller, then the motor won't be such a big deal. I can put the bigger ESC in there, And then the overall drag of the boat is still kind of the same with this, 2¼ inch wide hull. Now, you let me know in the comments, because there's a couple variations that we can do. Let's just say 1, 2, 3. We've got some motors here. So we've got our Lerner motor, we've got our TP motor, and we've got our 10-shock motor. So I would like you, the viewer, to let me know in the comment section what you would like to see first, second, and third. And we can run, we could run the TP motor third, and we could run the Lerner motor second, and we could run the 10-shock first. Or we could run the Lerner first, 10-shock second, or, however you want to see it is the way I'll do it. You just let me know in the comments, because each one of these is, different. So I'm going to have to be doing some soldering and stuff, but I don't know. I'm kind of ADD, indecisive, kind of hard to know what direction to go. We're just searching for speed. So in my opinion, speed is only going to happen with this, being that it's over 5,000 kV, which is the highest kV motor I ever have purchased. Call me crazy. I know the likelihood of probability of burning something up is pretty high, but we're not looking for an oval boat here. We're looking for straight line speed. So that may do it. It may just do it. But both of these are meant to be compared against one another. So these are both relatively 3,500 kV. I just wanted, to try some different stuff, some crazy stuff. And I was absolutely flabbergasted when I opened this up and I saw how beautiful and blue it was. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love that they changed the design, because I was kind of kicking myself watching this motor slowly separate due to load and thrust of the prop, and a boat that has such a low hydrodynamic drag, and it was pushing the damn rotor out of it. So I don't think we'll have that issue with this motor here. But I'm going to do a lot of preliminary tests when we do run this. We're going to run it on 3S quite a few times and just see if the ESC can handle it. And if it can, then we'll throw it on 4S. But if it won't handle it on 3S, then we absolutely know it won't handle it on 4S. So, but I don't know. Just wanted to make some content for y'all, and thought I'd share with you the brand new blue TP motor. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that they fixed that, semi design flaw and made the small motor here almost what I would say bulletproof, because, the front's not gonna push itself off. And it looks like the back has different grub screws in it, and just an overall different rear end bell in and of itself. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I've got another video I got to make for y'all. I don't want to throw it in here. I don't want to ruin the surprise. So we'll just call it here. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Hope everybody's having a good holiday. Peace.